Hello there. Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best leaf vacuums in the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks. Then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a leaf vacuum. We'll put the links to all of the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER BV3100 3-in-1. This BLACK+DECKER leaf vacuum is the best choice for you if there's no need for heavy-duty work. Its capacity is slightly less than others, but it's more than enough for small yards, tasks, and loads. With it, you'll reach air speeds of up to 210 miles per hour, and it has a mulching ratio of 10:1. Though it's made for moderate loads, you'll still get a choice of 2 speeds, so you can switch between light and heavy loads. It functions as a blower too, and comes with a vacuum tube and blow tube to switch between the 2 modes. Number 4. WORX WG514. This WORX is hands down the easiest machine to switch from blower to vacuum. Its tube stays put. You simply turn a dial on the machine's side to rotate the motor 90 degrees. Easily slip the vacuum collection bag into place over the impeller. Just press on the bag's small spring-loaded collar and release when it's seated. We timed it as taking less than 20 seconds. It's a brilliant piece of engineering, and this WORX is no slouch when it comes to scooping up dried leaves. Its 12-amp motor is up to the job. Still, it won't compete with the gas engine machines, particularly with damp debris or when loads of twigs are mixed. Also, you do notice that core drag is adding to the machine's weight once its bag starts filling up, and with dried consistently shaped leaves, it can fill that bag in minutes. Number 3. Greenworks 24322. The Greenworks proves how far 40 volts will take you today. A long way, as it turns out. We ran out of leaves before its battery ran out of juice. We see this machine as filling a role in conjunction with the trimmer and mower. The mower handles the grass and some leaf bagging. The trimmer cleans up the edges. You blow the remaining leaves into a pile and quickly switch to vacuum mode by flipping down the impeller hatch, detaching the blower tube with a simple press on the detent. Then click the oval-shaped vacuum tube into place over the impeller. The debris bag has a stubby collar on it that clicks into place where the blower tube was located. Vacuum up the leaves and you're done. This is a great little blower vac, but we don't see it as being fast enough for a yard full of leaves. It did prove ideal, however, for small cleanup. Number 2. Husqvarna 125BVX. The Husqvarna is very well built, starts extremely easily with one pull, and handles dry leaves with a vengeance. It did clog, however, when gathering damp mixed debris such as oak leaves and pine needles. We were mystified by that since it has more than enough airflow. We suspect that its vacuum tubes, which are slightly narrower and longer than others, may be the culprits. A deal breaker? No. We did have a beef, however, with its bag attachment, which is by means of a heavy-duty spring sewn into the bag's collar. Its grip on the discharge tube is so tenacious that once attached, the bag cannot be easily removed. You end up lugging the filled bag and the machine to dump the shredded contents. Given that a bag of shredded debris weighs anywhere from 5 to 12 pounds, according to our tests, that's inconvenient. Number 1. WORX Electric TriVac. The WORX TriVac is a powerful 3-in-1 blower, vacuum, and mulcher. It's equipped with a conversion switch so you can flip between the functions quickly and without the hassle of separate tubes and attachments. The impeller has a 10:1 reduction ratio, and this model comes with a 10-gallon reusable collection bag. The metal impeller cuts in 2 stages, chopping leaves down to an 18:1 mulch ratio, and that's 18 bags of leaves mulched into 1. The clever tube design curls up at the lip to get under lawn fixtures and landscaping elements. Perfect for when you're in vacuum mode. With all that power and functionality, you'd think only a lumberjack could handle the TriVac. That couldn't be further from the truth. It's only 9.3 pounds. And it's engineered to funnel all that wind power from the back to the front, so you only need one hand to operate it. Now that we've shown you the best leaf vacuums out there, let's talk about a few things you should look for before buying one. Convertibility. If you're looking to purchase an all-in-one tool that'll help you combat fallen leaves and debris, you may want to consider one of the many engines that can convert between leaf blowing, vacuuming, and mulching. Vacuuming power. The power of a leaf vacuum is determined by how much air it's able to take in, which is measured in cubic feet per minute, or CFM, and how quickly it does so, which is measured in miles per hour, or mph. The ideal combination of the 2 measurements depends on the nature of the vacuuming work. Blowing power. Like vacuuming power, blowing power is decided by a combination of airflow, CFM, and speed, mph. The power of a blower is measured by how much air a blower is able to push out and how fast it does so. Convertible engines often have similar vacuuming and blowing power, but it's important to know both when purchasing a convertible machine.